As the tech world gears up for the highly anticipated Made by Google event on August 20th, excitement around the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series is reaching a fever pitch. Staying true to tradition, Google's latest flagship lineup is already making headlines thanks to a wave of leaks that have surfaced ahead of the official launch. The Pixel 10 family is expected to include 4 models: Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Among these, the spotlight is currently on the Pixel 10 Pro XL, thanks to newly leaked images that offer a comprehensive look at the device from every angle. Milky Way Pixel 10 Pro XL design, familiar yet refined. The leaked renders showcase the Pixel 10 Pro XL in 2 stunning color options. Moonstone, a soft, elegant finish with a subtle shimmer. Obsidian, a deep, glossy black that exudes sophistication. From the images, it's clear that Google is sticking with its signature design language. The Pixel 10 Pro XL closely resembles both the standard Pixel 10 Pro and last year's Pixel 9 Pro XL. Key design elements include a pill-shaped triple rear camera setup, integrated flash and temperature sensor, glossy side rails with the power and volume buttons positioned on the right edge. While the design doesn't introduce radical changes, it refines the familiar Pixel aesthetic with subtle enhancements that fans will appreciate. Gear Pixel 10 Pro XL specifications, what the leaks reveal. Though Google hasn't officially confirmed specs, multiple leaks suggest the Pixel 10 Pro XL will be a powerhouse device. Here's what we know so far. Specification: Pixel 10 Pro XL leaked. Processor Tensor G5 SoC. Display size 6.8 inches. Display brightness higher than Pixel 9 series. Battery capacity 5200 mAh. Charging speed faster than previous models. Camera hardware same as Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 10 Pro is expected to feature a slightly smaller 6.3-inch display and a 4870 mAh battery, making both Pro models ideal for users who prioritize screen real estate and battery life. Man Detective, what's missing? Interestingly, while the leaked images give us a detailed look at the Pixel 10 Pro XL's exterior, they don't reveal much that we didn't already know. There's no confirmation yet on new camera features, software enhancements, or AI capabilities, areas where Google typically shines. Hourglass not on launch timeline and what to expect. The Google Pixel 10 series will officially debut on August 20, 2025, during the Made by Google event. Alongside the smartphones, Google is also expected to unveil Pixel Watch 4, Pixel Buds 2a. However, not all devices may launch simultaneously. Reports suggest that the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could face delays and may arrive after the other 3 models. Crystal ball final thoughts. With the Pixel 10 Pro XL leaks giving us a tantalizing glimpse of what's to come, it's clear that Google is refining its flagship formula rather than reinventing it. The combination of sleek design, powerful internals, and a familiar camera setup positions the Pixel 10 series as a strong contender in the premium smartphone market.